Hey there, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, I make videos on finance, investing, and business, and in this video, we'll be going over tax brackets. If you want to keep up with all my videos, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Now let's get started with the video. Tax brackets are the divisions or brackets at which tax rates are charged in the progressive tax system. A common myth about federal taxes is that when you get a raise and join a new tax bracket, your entire salary is charged at that specific tax bracket only. However, this is completely false. So pretty much, instead of all your money being charged at a specific rate, sections of your money are broken down. So here, a small part of your salary is charged at 10%, a larger piece is taxed at 12%, and another piece is taxed at a higher 22%. So, for instance, the first $9,700 of your salary is taxed at 8%. The next $29,875 would be taxed at 10%, and the next $44,785 would be charged at 22%. Now let's say your salary is $50,000. The same example from last time would still apply. The first $9,700 of your salary would be charged at 8%. So the next $29,875 would be taxed at 10%. And finally, the remaining $10,425 of your salary would be charged at the high of 22%. Your marginal tax rate would be 22%. However, your actual tax rate would be much lower because of possible deductions. Well, that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new. Quick reminder to check the description below for additional resources related to finance, investing, and YouTube. Enough said, have a great day, and thanks for watching.